welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be discussing the issue with, let me turn my fan off. Sorry guys, it's so hot here. We've been having a heat wave. I don't know about you, but we've been having a heat wave. Anyway, so I want to talk to you guys about stolen Reborn kits. It is a growing issue in the Reborn community, in case you guys were not aware, and I don't know if you guys are new to the Reborn community or old. You know, maybe you can get some tips about what to look out for and where to look for legit nurseries, like Reborn nurseries. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you screenshots that I took of places that are scams, and you also have to watch on Facebook as well, because sometimes like ads pop up and they'll say like about a beautiful Reborn doll, and then it's like so cheap. Anything that is cheap under, even if it's under 100, it is not legit. You're going to get a knockoff kit. You do not want to buy knockoff kits, okay? Because us Reborn collectors do not like stolen kits or knockoff kits, whatever you want to call them, same thing, because they are taken away from the sculptor, who takes sometimes years and years to perfect a sculpt just to get out the kits, and then you're just going to get it from someone who manufactured the kit, that they stole the kit from that artist, or sorry, the sculptor, or artist and sculptor, you know, they can be both. Anyway, and you don't want to support them. You want to support the sculptor. They are basically the ones who, you know, sculpted the kits, and you want to support them. You don't want to support these fake knockoff kits. And I get you can't afford it, and I get, you know, Reborns are expensive, but there's other ways to get around that. You can buy from Paradise Galleries. They are amazing. They have great, you know, dolls. They also have payment plans. Ashton Drake, I'm not sure if Ashton Drake has payment plans, but they also have beautiful dolls. I know that they're not quite Reborns. They're not the same. But if you want a Reborn, I have an artist that I'm going to share with you, and she's my personal artist. This is who I got my Saskia from. My mom got her Will from. And also I have another artist that I will share, and I got my other Reborns, but I'm not sure. I have to look her up before I share her with you, because she might not be doing Reborns no more. But anyway, but they will work with you, you know, as much as you can pay with payments, so you pay off the doll. Do it that way. Do not go to some Wish app or AliExpress or anything like that. You're taking away from the artist, the sculptor's work, and it's kind of insulting to them. So, okay, I'm going to start sending you screenshots, but you'll hear me talking, so a voiceover, so stay tuned. Here is more. These are stolen kits. Do not buy from here. You're not going to get what you paid for. They look beautiful, but they're inexpensive and they're knockoffs, and that's not supporting the sculptor. So do not go here for kits. That's AliExpress. Again, here's some more from AliExpress. Again, they're knockoffs. They're not what you're going to get. Please support the sculptor. This is just, you know, some kits that I'm showing you that are knockoffs. Also, here is a Google search. The Wish app is another one. Please don't support these Chinese companies with these knockoff kits. This here, Bountiful Baby, great, love them. Definitely go to them for kits. There's other ones as well that you can go to. This here is Reborn's accessories and sales. This here you can find dolls, Reborns for sale. It's legit, you know, or you can ask questions here. There's always Facebook groups that you can go to and ask questions, and they will point you in the right direction to where I buy kits and Reborns. This here is another one, McPherson's. They have beautiful, beautiful kits as well. Irresistibles is another one that you can go to, that you can trust. You know, you can buy your kits from here. If you're going to paint yourself, I suggest going to one of these for kits. Like Bountiful Baby, Irresistibles, and here McPherson's. Coming up next is Grand House Nursery. She's amazing. She's the one where I get my dolls from. Definitely go check her out. She's legit. Grand's House Nursery is the one that did my Saskia here. She's an amazing artist. She will work with you If you need a payment plan, you can pay as much as you want with her. It took me like a year to pay off my Saskia, but she's willing to work with you. She's amazing, and I love her very much. So please go check her out. I also got my Nathan, my toddlers, both my toddlers, from Beverly Duche or something like that. Her last name is. She's also an amazing artist, and she will work with you as well. So you can always find an artist that's willing to help you and work for what you can afford each month. So don't feel like that you have to buy cheap knockoff dolls to get it, to get a reborn, because that's not true. Search eBay, Etsy, but you have to watch on both eBay and Etsy, because they also have people who are not legit as well. So please be aware of where you're buying from and who you are buying from as well. Now with my baby Megan here, I actually paid full price for her because I used my income tax money at the time for her, and I usually don't get reborns that are already, made. I get a lot of custom. Most of my reborns that I have in my collection are custom. Actually, all of them are custom made to my liking. Baby Megan is not. She was just bought on the limb when I just happened to come across her on Facebook. Also, if you are unsure about the artist or reborn nursery that you're going to buy your reborn from, and you want to check them out, if you go on to Facebook and you can type in reborn scammers, and different groups will come up. This is one of them, and inside the group they will let you know. You can post the person's name or nursery name, and if anybody had any issues with them, they will let you know if they are good or not good, or they haven't heard from them. Coming up in another video, I'm going to show you how not to get scammed. So we'll return to this subject then in a different day. Now with baby Harry here, I almost got scammed with this one because I didn't do my research. But anyway, he turned out good, but other people had issues with the artist. So I'm not really sure what was going on with that. But like I said, please just support our sculptors. They work really, really hard, and they deserve all the recognitions that they can get. So please, at the end of the day, don't not buy knockoffs. It's an insult to the sculptors. I mean, it's different if you get the knockoff kit for like a present and someone didn't know about it, or if you're new and you didn't know and that's how you ended up with like a stolen kit or whatever. But it's not okay if you literally went out and bought a cheap kit just because you like the kit and you can't afford the regular one. I'm sorry, I'm against that. I hope I don't offend any of you guys. I love you guys very much, but I support my sculptors and artists. I back them up 100%, and I will always support them. I would not buy knockoffs. But like I said, my next video I'm going to be talking about how not to get scammed, what to look out for to make sure that it's not a scam. Yeah, so I think I'm probably going to end the video here, guys. I love you, and I hope you guys got informed a little bit about the matter and the situation. So I just want to say that I love you guys. I love you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, in the comment section, please let me know your opinions on stolen kits. How do you feel about it? Do you support stolen kits? Do you I want to know. Anyway, so please comment down below also what else kind of subjects you would like me to talk about. I know I do chit chats on Saturday, but I just felt like I wanted to do this kind of video again because you guys really seem to like me doing like the do's and don'ts with the reborns and like different just talking about different issues. So I find that you guys really like that, and so I'm gonna try to inform you guys more as I go. So I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.